In front of me is UMIDIGI S2 Lite, and let me show you how to update apps on the following device. So first of all, you need to reach your Play Store, then go to Updates, and to do it, just tap on more icon right here, and click on My Apps and Games. And here under Updates, you can find all apps that are currently ready to update. So we've got just 4 of them. To update one particular app, for example Google Drive, just tap on Update right next to its icon. But you can also update all apps at once, no matter how many apps you've got on the list, by tapping on Update All. And then they will all be updated. After all, you will be able to find them under Recently Updated. And this is it, that will be all. This is how you can update applications. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.